Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix TikTok direct message not working problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on manage apps, search TikTok application, tap on TikTok application. Again tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on clear cache data. Clear cache data, it helps to fix TikTok direct message not working problem. Step 2. Open Play Store and update your TikTok apps latest version. You make sure your TikTok apps is updated. Your TikTok apps is not updated, then update your TikTok apps. Step 3. Open your TikTok apps, tap on profile picture, tap on 3 line or horizontal line, click on setting and privacy. Again click on privacy. Scroll down, tap on direct message service. Click on allow direct message from. You can select who can send you messages. Tap on everyone and go back. Again turn on read status or safe mode. You can follow all of the steps to fix TikTok direct message not working problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.